Imagine you're on a trip to Southeast Asia, specifically Singapore. You're standing in front of a bustling hawker center, hungry and ready to indulge in the local cuisine. You're about to pay for your meal when you realize you don't have any cash. What do? That's where GrabPay comes in. But can you use it anywhere? Let's find out. GrabPay is a digital wallet app that's become incredibly popular throughout Southeast Asia. It's like having a virtual wallet in your pocket, allowing you to make payments for a wide range of things. While GrabPay is widely accepted in many parts of Southeast Asia, especially in major cities and tourist areas, it's not universally available. Here's a breakdown. Popular countries, Singapore, Grab is the dominant ride-hailing app, and GrabPay is accepted almost everywhere. Malaysia, similar to Singapore, GrabPay is widely used in major cities. Indonesia, Grab is a major player, and GrabPay is accepted in many places, especially in urban areas. Philippines, GrabPay is gaining popularity, but its acceptance may be more limited in smaller towns. Thailand, while Grab operates in Thailand, its market share is smaller than in other countries. GrabPay acceptance may be more limited. Less common countries, Vietnam, Grab is present, but its usage may be lower compared to other countries. Cambodia, Grab is expanding its presence, but GrabPay acceptance might still be limited. Specific use cases, ride-hailing. GrabPay is the primary payment method for Grab rides in most countries where Grab operates. Food delivery. Many food delivery services accept GrabPay, including GrabFood. Retail. Increasingly, retail stores, especially convenience stores and supermarkets, are accepting GrabPay. Bills and utilities. In some countries, you can pay bills and utilities using GrabPay. Public transport. While not as common as in some countries, there are instances where you can use GrabPay for public transportation, like buses or ferries. Tips for using GrabPay. Check acceptance. Before making a payment, always check if the merchant accepts GrabPay. Look for the GrabPay logo or ask the cashier. Top up your wallet. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your GrabPay wallet to cover your purchases. Use QR codes. Many merchants use QR codes for GrabPay payments. Simply open the Grab app, scan the QR code, and enter the amount. Security. Protect your GrabPay account by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. So, can you use GrabPay anywhere? While it's not universally accepted, it's a convenient and widely used payment method in many parts of Southeast Asia. By knowing the popular countries and specific use cases, you can make the most of GrabPay during your travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.